I do my makeup on a fancy evening because I'm going to dinner today with my friends. My family, not my friends. So the first thing that I do is I don't use primer, but because it's just doesn't look on my face because I don't get spots. So the first thing I use is this matte foundation. And then I get this brush from Penny's, it's the PS one. And I open the bottle and I put 2 pumps of foundation. Then I grab this side of the brush and I dip that in. And I do little strokes around my face. So as you can see, that is done. And then I still have a bit more, so I rub that. I tend sometimes to use a beauty blender, sometimes it doesn't work. And it doesn't work when I have my acrylics on, as you can see, I don't know one of them. So be a time that's with me doing mine. I'm just gonna just make sure everything. Another pump of brush on my neck. So, then I usually go on to my eyebrows, but I don't have any eyebrows, so I'll go on to my highlighters. I leave the eyes for last because they're the most important thing. This is my bronzer. The gold digger one. Right. I use that much. And I just do just to give it a bit more fancy look because we need just to make it blended in. Right. So then I do a bit more and I do my cheekbones. Just to give it like a really nice look. There. So that is my, oh god, I need to blend that in. This brush to blend it in, it's Fearless. That's not blending good. So that's my face. That look. On to the eyeshadow. So I have this Sweet Dreams one and it looks like this. So these are the brushes that I use for my eyeshadow. What I'm going to try is going to do this top left, top right corner. Just to see how this looks. just need to blend this in a bit more because it's... So that's one of the eyes, but I'm going to add a bit of glitter to it. So I think I'll go for this one here. That's one of my eyes. So, I'm just going to do the same on the other eye because if I do different, then I'm just like a bit wide. I'm done both of the eyes. Going to start with a bit of this. So, I'm done my makeup, but I still have to like touch up this eye because. So I'll get back to you when it's fully done. This is the end result. Hope you guys enjoyed. So thank you for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe. Bye.